All right. Let's start today's stream. Okay. To check whether my sound and all is fine or not. All right. Let's start today's stream. Looks about right. Looks about okay. Today we're not gonna play any games. Today we are not gonna play any games because I have already streamed twice playing something. So I thought let's switch it up a bit and then we can figure it out. So what we are gonna do instead, since the name of my channel is some average programmer, just another average programmer, it would be nice to actually do something which is related to either programming or something related to coding, because or else it will be kind of a shame. So what we are gonna do today, so we will try some try hack me. So why I thought of trying this particular thing, try hack me, because number one, okay, let me list down all the reasons why I want to do try hack me. So let me open up TLDR draw. How to open a new one? I want to erase everything. Hmm. I think everything is erased. Okay. So I want to do try hack me today. First reason, I am I am an average programmer, and programmers do these kind of things. So, and point number two is I don't know anything about like cyber security and things like that. So, and there's another reason. If I search YouTube, there is this YouTuber. I'm forgetting the name. Is his name Blob or I don't remember this particular YouTuber's name. Let me look up real quick. I do watch this person's YouTube a lot. His videos a lot. Huh. His name is Bog. So YouTube Bog. Huh. So this is the channel I am talking about. So I saw his recent video, which is this one.
This is an easy hacking test. Are you able to this image from?
So I saw him doing this try hack me thing, and that was interesting. So I haven't done anything like that. I mean, I have done a bit of CTF at some point, but recently I haven't done anything. So let's try Hack Me today. I haven't even explored the website yet, like where to find all those channel and things like that. Let's do it together. So I think I will log in. Okay, I do not have an account here. Let me. I don't think I have a Google signed up here. Yes, signed in here. So I'll sign in to my Google real quick and I'll come back. I mean, you guys can still hear me. This is just an overlay. So I will quickly sign in. I'm not sure which account to sign in. Of course, I do not want to log into my main account here. I have some dummy account created. I will probably sign into one of those, but I do not remember which account to sign in. Yeah, I got it. It is on my laptop. I just need to quickly sign in here. I am not sure whether I remember the password as well, but here it goes. Okay, so needs to be verified via phone number. Let's see. Okay, so I have signed into the Google Google account. Now I just need to sign up using Google. I'll keep that under confidential layer as well. Okay, now it's done. So I have signed in Google, and I have signed up here as well. So let's see. What is your current occupation? We will personalize your learning. I work in cyber security. I work in a different IT field. I have student or intern. Let's say I work in a different IT field. I'm a practitioner. What is your main goal? Probably master a new skill. That would be ideal. Are you familiar with the basics of web networking, Linux, and Windows? You know the basics of networking, Linux, Windows. Yeah, I mean, sort of. I know. How would you like to get started? Learn or recap foundational cybersecurity upskill specific. Probably upskill specific thing. Mm. Which cyber field would you like to specialize in? Defensive security engineering, let's say. How did you hear about us? It should be YouTube. Okay. I'm not into learning. Okay. How do I skip this? Okay. That's cool. But I do not want to be in this welcome thing. Do I really need to go through a learning session? Okay, let's see how it goes. So what is this? Security engineer intro. What does a day in a life of security engineer looks like? God damn it, this is a 60-minute thing. I don't want to do all this. I want to go to compete. King of the hill, I guess. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I should have prepared a bit better. Dashboard. Challenges. I think it is in challenges. I think. So, okay. Let me quickly watch this video a bit. I think I'll get some idea.
This is an easy hacking test. Are you able to use?
Okay, so he's definitely in Learn. Name of it ONSINT. So difficulty. If I select easy, I mean yeah, it's somewhere. It's probably somewhere around here. I can search it up. ON. I do not want to do this particular thing because I already okay. This is the one which I have seen here. So okay, I do not want to do this at the moment because I already know how it goes. I want to probably try try something which will not take a lot of time firstly because I am planning to stream just for an hour or just over an hour. So and I'm already 15 minutes in talking all shit and rubbish. So what can I do? There in this first page there is this thing flag vault 2 but before that there is a flag vault 1. Let's chat. I think this is what we're gonna do today or tonight. I'll pick this one up, flag vault. It says understanding the basic of buffer overflow. Okay, I am not sure what that means. It says Linux. Although I have Linux subsystem installed on my system, but I would not rely on that because it's kind of messed up. I kind of messed up the installation. So I would like to do something which does not need a lot of Linux. Let's short it by popular. Basic pen testing is popular. Pickle Rickle. A Rick and Morty CTF help return Rick back into human. Okay. Root me. CTF for beginners. Can you root me? Okay. I think this is the one. This is the one which we are gonna do. Root me. Okay. I think I'll just quickly copy and paste it in this the chat just to keep a log. Um, okay. So what does it say? To access material, start machine and answer question, you need to join this room. Okay. I think I can do that later. Connect to try Hackme network and deploy the machine. You do not need to know how to do this. Complete the Open VPN room first. Okay. I don't know what that means, but let's hit join this room. Okay, start machine. So your machine is started. It may need a few minutes to become accessible. That's okay. Ideally, I would like to use a VPN to connect to their machine, but I do not have anything set up at the moment. I would like to see the instructions though. Okay, let's start using attack box. Starting your machine, please wait. I think I have just an hour to complete the whole task. Cool, that's all cool. This is my first time ever try hack me. I have seen videos previously, but this is the first time, so I think that will be interesting. I think first the task one needs to be done. Let the machine load up. So YouTube is saying the audio stream's current bit rate is lower than recommended. Okay, I think that makes sense because I have changed some settings in my OBS today, and maybe I have forgotten to turn up the bitrate for audio. So yeah, I might have bad audio tonight. But anyways, the machine has started. Oh damn, that's a full-on Linux interface. This machine can access other machines you deploy on Try Hack Me. Please keep in mind the following things when you're solely responsible for your actions. This machine expires. Try. Okay. All data will be lost. That's okay. If you are a subscriber, this machine is exposed to the internet and may automatically scanned. While the machine is secure, do not store sensitive files. Instruction. That's cool. Press enter to close. Cool. There's a postman. Metasploit Kyrio, Burp Suit. I'm not sure what these are, but Bloodhound. Okay. Okay. So I think, yeah, the first task was just to deploy the machine. Let's start with the second one. It's called reconnaissance. First, let's get information about the target. Scan the machine. How many ports are open? Uh, Scan the machine. How many ports are open? So I think I need terminal for that. I do not know how to check for open ports. So I will quickly Google how to check for open ports in Linux. To check for open ports in Linux, there are several commands. One command is used to netstat command, which displays network connection at enable. The command to list all open port is netstat hyphen tuln. Just copy it from here and paste it, or I can paste. Okay, I can. Okay, I think these are all the open ports. I can count up all the numbers, but I think, can't I just get a count? How to check for open ports Linux? Linux count open ports. You can use several commands. One method is used ss socket stat utility, which provides a quick way to view open ports. Another example is running ss-s, which will display the number of open ports. Okay, so ss-s, if I run that, ss-s, so total number of ports is 731, but the answer format is just a star, so it can't be 741. TCP is 41. ESTB, I'm not sure what this is. 7. I'll just quickly check if 7 is the correct answer. Okay, 7 is not the correct answer. Hmm. So maybe SS-S. Another approach is used to netstat command, which can list all the listening ports. Okay, I'll try this one. I'll try netstat. What about this one? Okay, it returns 23, 163, 2323. I don't think any of them are correct answers. What about 23? I don't think that's correct. Yeah, because it should be a single digit. Closed are 6, orphan 0, time wait is 1. What if I run this one? Man, I'm getting stumped in the in the first question only. That was not expected. This is giving me more gibberish. Okay. What is the version of the second question is what version of Apache is running? So it's definitely running Apache 2. So if I do Apache 2 minus minus version, okay, I don't think that is the correct method. Apache, version. Check Apache version. Is NeoFetch available? Because I think it's a Debian based machine. NeoFetch is not there. That's okay. To check Apache configuration on Ubuntu, you can use Apache CTL config test. I will just trust this. Trust the process. Of course. Of course, that's not the correct way. Damn, this is difficult. Okay, I wrote the thing wrong. Check Apache version Ubuntu. Okay, Apache 2V. What is the difference between? Okay, so it's 2.4.41. How the heck is that the incorrect one? That is, what am I doing wrong here? What am I doing wrong? It says what version of Apache is running, and I run Apache 2-V. And this is the one 2.4.41. That is what I have written. 2. Oh shit! I have written 2.2. Damn, that's my bad. Still, it's incorrect. How the hell this is still incorrect? What version of Apache CTL-V? If I run this Apache CTL version, yeah, I mean this is what it is running, right? What is the format? Yeah, the format is also star dot 2 stars. That is what I am doing here. Okay. I am getting stumped. I am getting stumped by an easy hacking test. I'm below average at this point. I'm not even an average software developer anymore. I have become a below average software developer because I cannot do anything. Um, this is server version. This is server build date actually. Um, okay. What to do? What to do here? Let's ask Gemini. I think that's a good place. Gemini.google.com. Okay. I'll not go with the. I think Flash 1.5 Flash is the newer one. Okay. Cool. So what I will write. It is clearly an Ubuntu. Okay. First thing first. I have a Linux machine and I am not sure which Linux it is running. I mean, Ubuntu, Arch, etc. How to check that? You know what I should do? I should uninstall Windows on my machine and I should install Linux. I should straight away go to Arch Linux. Okay, so this is the first thing that popped up using LSP release hyphen A, most reliable for LSP compliance system. Okay, cool. Let's say if I run this, no LSP module. Okay, distributor ID is Ubuntu, so it's running. So it's an Ubuntu machine. Now, my Ubuntu machine. Okay, got it. My Ubuntu machine is running Apache 2. How to check its version? So I have run this Apache 2 hyphen V, and this number 2.4.41. Yeah, I mean, it's saying it's incorrect. So this is definitely not it. Let's see if I use this one. And this says the same thing. Okay. Okay, I think let's check with apt show. It's taking some time. It has spit out a lot of info. I mean, that is the version it's showing. 2.4.41. Is it not up to date, or something has happened? And what if I copy the entire thing and paste that? I am not sure, guys. What is the answer here? I am not sure because ideally this should be the version, but what if I copy the entire thing? Apache. It's still incorrect. I am not sure whether the answers to this are updated or not. I'm out of luck. Okay, so let's tackle the first one once again. There's a hint. I'll not try to use the hint yet. How can I scan the machine and get the number of open ports? Before diving into command, it is more important to understand what an open port means. A port is considered open if an application or service on your machine is actively listening for incoming connections on that port. Cool. Tools to use: netstat. Okay. Network statistics. Netstat is a command line. I mean, I know what netstat is. I guess I know at this point. This is the one I tried. So example output partial. In this output, listen indicates an open port. You should manually count these lines to get the number of open ports. Okay, let's do that. Fine, I'll count manually. That's not a problem at all at this point. So how many listens are there? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There are 23. But the answer should be a one word answer. I mean, yeah, it's not correct. I think I can understand why. Uh, SS SS also what I've used. It's newer and faster, most efficient alternative to NetStat, especially on modern Linux. It's provide detailed socket information. Okay. Again, look for listen to. Okay, I'll just run this one instead. Let's try. I think here also, I mean, listen will come up to 23 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 23. 23 is coming. I'm not sure whether this question is updated or not. Or maybe I am doing something completely wrong. Let's check the hint. Use nmap to do a port scan. It says to do a n to use nmap. What is nmap? Okay, network mapper. Is nmap installed here? Nmap nmap -v. Okay, nmap is installed, and if I scan my local machine, nmap localhost, nmap. In this scan, open indicates an open port. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it says 12 are open, but answer is a star. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure what is happening. I am not sure. I think this is the room I have in. I am in. It's nobody can do it. Now people are having fun here. If that what this chart says, it says first let's get information about the target. So does it mean something else? Oh shit! I think I'm doing it all wrong. This is the target IP. What is how to know the current IP? It should be netstat only. Yeah, I'll just Google it. Get IP of Ubuntu VM, IP-ADDR. Okay, whatever. So this is the thing that I run, nmap localhost. What if I do nmap then this IP? Ah, now the open ports are 2. So is 2 the correct answer? Damn, 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 I was wrong. Cool. Okay, now I think I have got a hang of how to do. So I have 35 minutes left. I'm not sure how can I complete all of the tasks in 35 minutes. I have lost a lot of time. Let's pre-run. Um, okay, so I have this IP. This is my target IP. How to SSH? SSH into an IP. If I do SSH root at password, I do not have. What is password? Is it root me? That's not it. I have a target IP and I want to know the Apache version it is running on. How to do that? Using curl to check HTTP headers. I think this would do. So if I do curl I, then HTTP, the IP address, and the IP address, I will quickly copy it from here. Okay, now the Apache is different. So I think this is the answer. I was getting the entire thing all wrong. It's 2.4.29. Yes, that's correct. What service is running on port 22? Okay. I cannot SSH into it. What is running on port 20? Which service is running on port 22? So if I do up, same command, I'll do, if I do curl on port 22, it says received HTTP 0.1 not allowed. Okay. I'll just ask Gemini how to know what is running on a port, let's say 22 for this IP. port 22 is a standard for SSH. Okay, I did not know that. I think SSH would be the answer. Yeah. Find directories on the web using GoBuster tool. What is a GoBuster tool? GoBuster is a tool used to brute force. Okay. Find directories on the web using the GoBuster tool. So if I just ask Gemini only how to get the directories of the IP using GoBuster tool. Yeah, yeah, I know everything. Is GoBuster installed here? GoBuster. Okay. Okay. Whatever. I will not mess with it because my time is running. Choose a word list. Navigate to where your word list is stored. A common location is okay. Run GoBuster. I'll just do GoBuster dir -u, then my IP address. 10.10.174.94. Okay, it needs a word list. It needs word list -w. What is word list? Choose a word list. Navigate to where your word list is stored. A common location is okay. I will check the common location only. -w space the word list. Oh look, it okay. Error on running GoBuster failed to get number of lines. Okay. Read user share word list is a directory. You can also find and download specialized word lists from repositories like seclist. This is all a rabbit hole, guys. This is all a rabbit hole. If I search for wordless offset parameter to skip X line from the Word list. Okay. Because the next question is what is in the hidden directory? So I think I need this word list. That is pretty much needed. What are some common word lists? Subdomains.txt. Let's try this. It does not exist. I think there would be a better way to know what the files are present in the word list. What if I try is rock you? Okay, something is happening. Something is definitely happening. I don't know what is happening, but something is definitely happening. Let it run. How much time do I have left? 24 minutes only. That will be tough. There is one question. There are three questions in the third task. I'll just mark this as complete. After complete, I'll just check hint. Okay, Globuster machine. Is this supposed to happen? What is happening here? What is the hidden directory? Or should I just close this? What is this thing? I I I don't know. I don't know what is happening. I am just as confused as everybody at this point. I don't think this is. Yeah, no, I don't think it. Okay. Wordless rock you the text did not help. So I was running this command only, right? Globuster dir. Yeah. What does this command do? The basics in dir mode. Let's break it down. Dir specifies that you want to use the directory file emulation mode. Your target IP specifies a target URL. Your target replace that's okay. And it's a full. If your web server is running on a non-standard port, Okay. Do I need to give a port here? Like 8080 or something? No, I was not supposed to. Okay, that's okay. Specifies the path to what list file you want. What to expect in the output? Go start making requests and print discovered directories and file. What if the word list file is wordlist.txt? Okay, does not exist. Okay, but why was rock you thing? Why was it working? I am confused. What if it is root me.txt? No, it is not. Let me just ask what is word list? What is word list? Okay, so it's a plain text file containing a list of word, phrases, or combination of characters. It is primarily used in cybersecurity for brute force attack or how in the context of tools like GoBuster, Hydra, John the Ripper, even just for simple login attempts. A word list is fed into a program that is then systematically tries each entry in the list against a target. Okay. The word list should be present in my machine or the target machine. Okay, the word list must be present in your machine. Okay, okay. Now, if I do an ls here, it has a fast track.txt, a rocku.txt. Let's cat a lot of things. Now, if I do rocku, damn, it's definitely a lot of things. Okay, so what I'll do, I will try with the fast track.txt. Okay, error, unable to connect to. Okay, I need to remove the port. Now it should work. Okay, so progress finished. Did it download anything or what did it do? What is burp.json? I will copy this. Ask Gemini. This is the go buster command I am running. It is starting, then it says it's starting. It says it is starting. Then it shows a progress. Then it shows a progress and then finish. What it because I need to know what it is doing based on the GoBuster command you ran. Here's a breakdown. This part tells GoBuster to operate in directory file emulation mode. Its goal is to find hidden or common directories. Okay. It opens the fast text file and starts reading each line, each word from it one by one, constructing URLs for okay, sending HTTP request, checking HTTP response. It waits for the server, filtering and reporting. Why the output might be minimal, adjust the progress. The target server is not a web server. If port 80 on isn't running a web server, it's firewall service. I will add another hour. Okay, I think I need to explore a bit more. It says in distri busters, dir busters, cd. No, if I do ls, what is that sound? Which application is making that sound? Okay, I got it. Hmm. Now, okay, use a larger, most comprehensive word list. Let's use let's use a medium. Okay, now it's going. Now it is going. So it says starting in directory emulation mode. The upload CSS panel server status. What is status code of 301? Status code. These are moved permanently. Indicates that a requested resource has been definitely moved to a new location specified by the location header. Fourth is unauthorized. Unauthorized. So this is unauthorized. So it says what is the hidden directory. Now how to find. Is my internet running weird? Why Gemini is taking so much to load? What just happened? Is my internet all messed up? Finding hidden directories, also known as directory emulation and content discovery, is a crucial step. Brute force guessing using a word list. Okay, I use the medium text. What if I use the mall text? The hidden directory should be 5 words. Let's say I'm using GoBuster. Okay. Yeah, Gemini is kind of dumb to be honest. Choose the right word list. Am I using the wrong word list? Because at this point, I don't know what to look for. So this folder dirb dirb has few more word lists. Does it have a common dot text? Yeah, it has a common dot text. I just got a new subscriber to my channel. Thank you for subscribing. Thanks a lot, means a lot. Thanks for all the support that I'm getting on my channel. Big thanks to Ankit for subscribing. So I will use this command now. Derb slash. Let's go with common dot text. Okay, now I'm getting a few hidden folders. What is the hidden directory? It's a 5 word one, two, three, four, 5. Does any of them has 5 words? No, HTA is 3. HT access is there. What are some other? Let's try with this one. Medium I've tried. Let's go with big. If I go to dir buster, does it have a large file? It has a small, it has medium. I'll run with this one, directory list.txt. What if I get a better result with this one? Did it just stop? I think it has stopped. Come on. What has happened? No, I still have time. Is the machine not working? Yeah, the machine is not working. Is there a way to restart the machine? I think I have to terminate. Why can't I start the machine? Non-subscribers can only deploy the free attack box for 1 hour a day. Yeah, I'm not sure what is happening here. I am not sure. So what I need to do, I need to dig into this thing a bit more, like what it does. I'll terminate the machine. Maybe I should try some problems off screen related to this machines and thing like that, and actually try to connect with the machine via SSH or some sort of thing from my local machine, because I think that would be better. So I have a bit of time. I can play some games, or I am already streaming for an hour and 18 minutes. What to do? They play some games, or should I just wrap up for the day? I reckon some games. Let's play a day of supermarket simulator. Let me quickly change the name of my stream, update the name of my stream. I have updated the stream name. I need to change my mouse to my gaming mouse because I have a different mouse for work and a different mouse for playing games. Cool. So where we are, I paid. Let's see. Have I paid the rent and all those things? Bills I have paid. Bank repayments I have done. Okay. So now, tablet. Bread do I need? No. I need some flour. I need a bunch of coffee. Oil do I need? Oil I need. Pasta I need. Chocopic should be enough for the day. Salt, sugar should be enough for the day. What about supreme flour? Let's get two of those. Let's get two of basmati rice. Salt should be sufficient. Let's get two of olive oil. Two of peanut butter. Yeah, that should be okay. Water we need. Let's get two crate of bottled water. Cheese, I think we're okay with cheese. Eggs also we are okay with eggs. Rest all is fine. So to order, I just need to press. What if I stand in the loading area and press E? What happens? Wow, wow! I should have looked down. I should have looked down. Okay, next thing. Peanut butter. I can yeet this out. Let's change the price. 5.99 is fine. Let's get olive oil now. Let's get basmati rice. Price for olive oil is fine. Basmati rice is also okay. I think I need to reduce basmati rice price a bit. Yeah, it's kind of expensive. Let's make it 6.99. Should be okay. Did I order pasta or did I not? Damn, what what's wrong with me? I did not order pasta. Spaghetti I did not order. That's okay. We will not sell spaghetti today. So the market price of flour is 678. So I can keep 719. I think spaghetti can be, since I do not have a lot of spaghetti, I'll make spaghetti super expensive. I'll make it 7.99. What about bread? Bread today market price is 372. I do not want to give any sort of discount. And my asking price is 409. Flour. For maida, market price is 359. I'll take 399. I have a lot of maida today, so let's people buy a lot of flour. Coffee, one more coffee. Wheat. Yeah, coffee prices are fine. What I'll do, I'll make coffee 8.99 and I'll give a 5% discount. Tea is fine. oil. Did I not order oil? I did. Okay, so prices for oil. Today's market price is 438. My selling price would be 489. Pasta. For pasta, okay, today pasta is expensive. So market price is 344. I'll sell at 399. Choco pick, yes, fine. Sugar. The sugar is expensive. 495. I'll make it 549. Cheese. How are we on cheese? I'll just grab a box of cheese. Cheese prices are fine. Milk prices can be a bit higher. Okay, no, my price is lower. So market price is 323. I can make it 389. Or what I can do, no, 389 is fine. Water, bottle of water, prices are okay. What about eggs? Eggs today market price is 532, so I'll make it 5679. All right. And again, water prices are fine. I think there is some storage here. I can eat the box. Why did I buy 2 cases of water? I'll quickly clean the windows, and I think let's open up for the day. Junk cleared. I don't see any customers today. Hello. You are our first customer. Our business is bustling. Lot of customers. Let's check out. We need to return 67. Thank you. Yeah, I should have ordered spaghetti. I need to return 611. Thank you. Thanks for coming. Thanks for giving me a business. God damn it. I need to give so much change. 80, 23. 386. Thanks for giving me exact change. Much appreciated. Again, another person who has given me exact change. That is such a blessing. I don't like customers who give me exact changes. Another one. Damn. 3 in a row. Yours is 3280. Sorry, 3298. Thank you. I'll quickly see what I need to restock. Maybe oil, maybe pasta. People can wait. Salt I can restock. This lady has bought a lot of things. And thanks for giving. What? Who is this person? What has happened to her? Why the skin is like that? I'm not gonna question. Thanks for giving me exact change. 17. 15. I need to return 10. 49. Give me a card here. 9.9.28. Where is Maida? Did I not get extra flour? Yeah. I did buy extra flour, right? Or I did not. I don't know. I don't remember what I bought. 35.16. Thank you. Okay, 35.16. I was charging extra. 17.08. Thank you. 9 cent. Nice. Thanks for giving me. But flour is there, right? Or I think that person is asking for the premium flour. And return 36 cents. 36. Now $36. Damn. That's a lot of change. 2 cents. Thank you. Some sugar. Thanks for giving me exact change. I can restock salt. I have pretty much restocked everything. 32 cents. Thank you. 42. 42. 10.37. Time for some restock. Milk is too expensive for him, then do not buy. That's what I recommend. If something is too expensive for you, just don't buy. password. Okay. Wait, is this a glitch? No, it's not. $0.90, thank you. I need to return $13.78. I'm not sure why people have stopped giving me credit cards. Thank you for giving credit card. Such an easy process. Yeah, we have run out of bread, unfortunately. $59 and 66 cents. Thank you. Okay, so the day I run out of bread, that is the day everybody is asking for bread. I don't understand. I mean, I know that's how their algorithm works, probably. What is this? Peanut butter. Shelf. How much do I need to return? 54 cents. Oh, I don't have milk either. Let's close up the store and finish our day. Okay, so today, let's see what else we can do. Because we need to increase our store capacity so that we do not run out of anything. I think what I can do is I can add up another shelf here. I think this area needs a light as well. So first I need to pay the bills, then repay the loan. Okay, now say in market furnitures, in growth, purchase this section to expand your supermarket. I do not need to purchase another section yet. Product license, maybe. This bio juice, cola, sap. Okay, so this is again something which needs another refrigerator. So what I'll do for the day, okay, I think I can hire a cashier at this point. Daily wage would be $100. No, daily wage is $80 and hiring cost would be $100. So what I can do is I can, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Storage is locked. I'm not sure what that is. Not management market. I'll buy a shelf. My shelf has arrived. I will place the shelf here. I'll place it here. Okay. I will hire a cashier. I have hired a cashier. Okay, damn, my cashier is here. He looks hella depressing, but um, I mean, okay. I have a depressed cashier. That's all right. Let's get out our tablet. We need two shelf of bread, two of flour, one of tea, two of coffee, one of oil, one of chocopic, one of, or let's get two sugar, let's get two of milk. I'll rush and bring one cheese. Let's get two of this flour, two of spaghetti, basmati rice. I think just one would be fine. One sugar, one of oil. Let's get two oil and one of peanut butter. Okay, that brings us to 589. Okay, now I will rush here once again. I'll look down this time and E. Damn, these deliveries are quick. Okay, first let's restock flour. Peanut butter, I think the entire shelf is full. What I'll do, drop the box here, take out my crate. That's better. Bread. Another crate of bread. Okay, olive oil. What we can do with olive oil, we can bring olive oil in this rack. Same location is fine. I'll take my crate. So again, this will be entire of basmati rice. This will be entire of pasta, spaghetti. This will be entire of salt. Some remodeling is needed. I think we have enough of olive oil for now. Oil, cooking oil. Everything is restocked. Basmati rice. Milk. There's more spaghetti. Supreme flour can be here. Navalo coffee. Supreme flour can go here. This is Labu salt. Did I not had another box of salt? No, I did not. Sugar. That would be enough. Milk. This is a completely new and new box. I'll store it here. Since I have a cashier, I don't think I do need to wait for everything to get reshelved, then start my day. But I'll check the prices anyway. Okay, I'll just start the day. I'll check which all prices have gone up. So Choco Pick and coffee, I need to check. That's it. Rest should be fine. Choco Pick. Market price is 550, so I'll charge 5.99. Coffee has gone up significantly. I'll charge $10. Damn, that was impressive. Now I have a cashier. That person says milk is too expensive. Is okay, milk actually is too expensive. I can understand. I think price should be fine now. What I need to do, I need to place two more lights here because this section kind of gets dark. Now I am the store manager. I do not need to work at the counter. Oh, I can boost him by giving him extra tips. That's nice. I can probably tip him when the rush is high so that he does his job faster. I'll just clean up this section. Doesn't look good, to have a store, to have a cashier. Now I do not need to do the job of a cashier anymore. I can just manage the shop. Where are the customers? This guy is actually legit fast. What do I need to restock? Things are fine at the moment. What's up with the? I think there's some issue with the texture or something. That's a that's a zombie. That person is not at all fit. If I tip him once, that's $3 gone. Let's tip him once more. I want to see where this zombified person goes. Is it bat, right? Can I hit her with this bat? Can I hit this zombie with this bat? Nah, leave it. Another zombie. I can quickly clean this up. Damn, people are buying salt, a lot of salt today. I don't think we need to restock salt yet. I think I have an open box of, yeah. Uh, that one more crate is empty. B. Would you buy 20 rice basmati? We buy 20. Do you want to sell? Oh damn! I have 19. I do not have enough stock for it. That was a good deal. Unfortunately, I have to decline. Cheese. I might just quickly run and get some cheese. The cashier is helpful. Spaghetti, do I have extra? Spaghetti, I do not. Basmati rice, I have. Water, I can resell. Shelf. We are running low on coffee. Do I have extra coffee? Yes, I have. Flour, I have two here. I'll resell that. Tea, do I need to reshelf tea? Yeah, there is three more space. Drop this here. What about oil? We're running low on pasta. Let's close for the day. These three customers will be our last customers. And we're done for the day. It was a good day. We hired a person. We gave somebody job, and we have a good decent chunk of change money left for the next day. So I think we have been streaming for nearly 2 hours now. I will just quickly repay the things. Bills done. I can actually pay off the loan early. What I can do is I can take another loan maybe next. These are all the things which I'll do next day. Next I can stream is probably tomorrow night. Tomorrow night I might get some time and stream a bit of this thing. So what we will do tomorrow, or the next time I stream, or the next time I stream Supermarket Simulator, what we will do then? We will take another loan, okay, a $2,000 loan. And why this is still here? We have repaid it early, right? Or the repaying does not do it for the current day. I'm not sure. Okay, so what we will do? We will take a medium loan. We will then, if we go to management, we'll take up another license. That would be $500. We will we have a bit of space left here. We'll get another freezer right next, and we might as well increase this space a bit, this whole thing a bit. I think, yeah, that would be the first action would be to uh, buy the license, or maybe no. I'll Yeah, okay. I'm not sure what. Let's not plan everything today. I'm feeling quite sleepy now, to be honest. So I will save my game, quit to main menu, then quit to desktop. So we are gonna end the stream here. By the way, the Steam summer sale is here, and there are quite a good deals actually. Like Ready or Not, I was thinking of this game for a while. Ready or Not, I'm not sure whether I'll get it or not, but this is a good deal. Elden Ring, it's 40% off. This is also on my wish list, but I will probably not get it. My plan is to get Forza Horizon 5 because that's the one I want to play at the moment. So yeah, and maybe Quarantine Zone if this ever comes out of demo. Has it? No, Quarantine Zone. The last check, September 2025. So that is on wish list. But this game was good. Game was really good. I really enjoyed. Okay, so let's end the stream here. Everybody, thanks for watching. Today, my total views is 17, which is an all-time record. And thanks everybody for tuning in and checking my stream. We got a new subscriber today while I was streaming. That is something which I really appreciate. So yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the love and all the support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and all that jazz. See you once again in my next stream. I am yet to define a schedule. So good night. Bye bye.